Alright, hold on, just a few seconds to go. Hold on, a few seconds. What happens a few seconds? Alright, here goes the then. For now. Where's the hell? Alright, where's the collective? Where's the collective? Alright. So first of all, couple more seconds on iPods. Couple more seconds to go. Okay? Here we go. Hey, this is not a good time.
So it's that part of the
Investing research firm CFRA says
Next to roots of Florida's ubiquitous mangrove trees, creating what we call a living scene.
I want the CAE for KFNC is no longer effective. Hold up.
And the point is to attract native species is a very familiar.
What is it?
people can't connect across A to B, and just talking about it in a way that is not overly critical but more educational, informative. It's been interesting to make sure that I carry that responsibility and that obligation.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all in Texas beginning at 6:30 p.m. Wednesday, August 20th and ending at 6:30 p.m. Thursday, August 21st. Amber alert. Child abduction from Solano, Texas. Missing child is an average driver, 13-year-old white female last seen wearing a black shirt, black shorts, and wearing glasses. Suspect is Kyle Price, 18-year-old white male. Call Bell County Sheriff's Office with information. If seen, call 911.
Alright, Mr. K. Gogo J. With a home of you still 5 times. I don't know this freaking time on the line of this.
Tu historia está aquí. Ser mexicano.
I don't freaking time this.